Hello and welcome to Starseed Living. My name is Lorrayne Ham and this is the Great Starseed Bliss Project, Day 2. Quickly, I just want to let you know that these are short meditations, so I don't want them to be too long. I want them to be a moment where, as a starseed, you can tap in, send that sense of love and joy and bliss around the planet, connect to the other starseeds, and hold that energy within your cellular energetic structure throughout the day. This is a non-linear, non-time-space energetic project. So no matter where you are, what time you tune in, you're going to be connecting to the greater starseed grid. So just trust it, just know it, and have fun. We're here to have fun. We starseeds are the epitome of joy and fun and bliss. So let's do what we do. Let's get to work. Time for the meditation.